Today, we're hitting the road and leaving Massachusetts behind, heading south for an adventure in Atlantic City, New Jersey. As always, there's a lot of ground to cover, and we're excited to pass through some new spots along the way. We passed through Rhode Island and Connecticut without stopping, just taking in the views from the road. But we definitely noticed those tolls stacking up fast. We were all set to reach Atlantic City, but sometimes plans change.
We got lucky yesterday. I stopped 5 miles from here to check the tires, check the trailer, take a little break, and that's what we found. That's the fourth of those age-rated tires that I bought. They were cheap. Somebody told me all the tires are saying cheap ones, expensive ones, but I'm beginning to doubt that now. Anyways, we gotta get the spare on and get this fixed. This is our fourth Trans Eagle tire. Doesn't even have that many miles on it. The belt has come off of the tire, and on top of that, the other three all had broken bands, which I'm assuming I caught those fast enough, otherwise it would have ended up like this. This is a mistake in the curing process. I tried to get a warranty exchange on the first two. The company ignored my emails for months, and then they tried to make me jump through a bunch of hoops, and then asked me for things off of the tire, like for me to cut out the DOT number on it from a 16 ply tire. And they asked me this months after I had already filed the claim. They try to give me the runaround instead of honoring their product. That's not a good American product, and quite frankly shouldn't have the name American in it at all. We are now staying at our location here in Port Republic, New Jersey. It's a Thousand Trails location called Chestnut Lake. Beautiful location so far. We've had a couple of days here so far to get our laundry list and provision stuff done. But now we're gonna go, we're near Atlantic City. Before we do the boardwalk and everything else, we want to have a beach day to kind of get ready for the rest of the tourist stuff to do. So we're going to go and check out a beach on the northern tip of Atlantic City. So let's go find out more.
Let's go.
As the breeze picked up and the temperature dropped at Brigantine Beach, we decided it was time to pack up and head over to Atlantic City. With its iconic boardwalk and endless sights to explore, we couldn't wait to dive into the heart of this vibrant coastal city. First up, we made our way into the Showboat Resort, where we discovered a world of fun inside. This spot isn't your typical casino. It's filled with unique gaming experiences. From classic arcade games to new interactive adventures, there's something here for everyone. With vibrant lights and the buzz of excitement all around, it's the perfect spot to kick off our Atlantic City adventure.
But right now, as you can see, we just left the Showboat Casino, and we are going to go into Ocean, which is one that I've never seen before, and it's new for all of us. So let's go check out what Ocean has to offer, and then we'll check out a few more places on the boardwalk.
We made our way through the impressive Ocean Casino, a premier destination on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. Spanning 20 beachfront acres, this resort offers a dynamic gaming experience with nearly 2,000 slot machines and 130 table games. Beyond the casino, guests can enjoy world-class dining, live entertainment, and luxurious accommodations, all with stunning ocean views. We headed next door to the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, a place that's all about rock and roll and high-energy fun.
So this motorcycle right here was owned by Guitar Hero / owned and operated, but also it's called the Black Sheep of Harleys.
Nice.
Because it's all black.
Nice.
The moment you step inside, you're greeted by an incredible collection of music memorabilia. From guitars signed by legends to outfits worn by rock icons, it's like walking through a museum dedicated to the history of music. The casino floor itself is vibrant and alive, packed with everything from slot machines to classic table games, all set to the beat of the music filling the space. With flashing lights and the hum of excitement, it's the perfect spot to feel the thrill of Atlantic City. But it's not just about gaming here. The Hard Rock has a ton of dining options that range from quick bites to gourmet meals, catering to every craving. And if you're looking to unwind, the resort also offers a luxurious spa. The Hard Rock truly lives up to its name, bringing together the essence of music and entertainment in one unforgettable experience. As we made our way further down the boardwalk, taking in all the sights, sounds, and entertainment, we came across Guy Fieri's restaurant, Chicken Guy. It was the perfect find, especially since we were getting hungry, and who wouldn't want to try food from a Food Network star? The menu was simple but tempting, centered around crispy, all-natural chicken tenders brined to perfection, then paired with a selection of over 20 signature sauces. From flavors like donkey sauce to Nashville hot honey, each one promised a unique twist on classic chicken.
Wow.
That was delicious.
I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I mean, like, I've been watching Guy Fieri for a long time, but
I have to.
I've never actually ate any of his recipes, restaurants, or his food.
That was my first.
Best part about the whole thing, I mean, we only got like the chicken tenders and french fries, just something to snack on when we were out here, but honey mustard, yeah, that was, wow. Like, I've never had honey mustard like that before. Chicken tenders seasoned well, and the fries tasted like barbecue potato chips.
Yes. It's like when you taste the honey mustard from other places, you taste a lot of the vinegar on it.
Yeah.
On this one, it was like mellow, and you can actually taste the honey mustard.
I think tomorrow while we're riding our bikes out here, that's going to have to be a lunch stop.
Yes. I want to try those sandwiches.
So if you're out here on the pier, Guy Fieri, actually, I don't know if it's true, I just overheard somebody saying that I think it opened up a few months ago.
Yes.
But it's called the Chicken Guy. It's got a big picture of Guy Fieri on the outside. If you don't know who he is, look him up on the Food Network. Pretty cool.
Yes.
Okay, one of the things you got to watch out for here is scams. And the guy behind us over there with the robe on, just try to come up and handy bracelets. They try to force them onto you, give them right away. And once you get the bracelets on, then they try to ask you for money. They're kind of rude about it. So just say no.
I couldn't resist checking out the many shops packed with souvenirs and unique finds. The boardwalk here is like a shopping adventure in itself, offering everything from classic Atlantic City memorabilia to quirky beachside treasures. There's a little bit of everything. T-shirts, seashell, crafts, mugs, postcards, and even some handmade items that capture the spirit of the shore. And you know I couldn't continue down the boardwalk without getting some Atlantic City swag.
So last time that we were here on the boardwalk, which was like 20 years ago, it's been a little sooner for me, but it wasn't very, what I would consider safe here. But since we have been here on a Monday, there has been non-stop patrols up and down the boardwalk, and it does seem a heck of a lot safer than it did before. I actually just spoke with two officers, and I asked them, is it still safe after sunset to have the kids and everything out here? And they told me, since they've started a new beach division or something, they have cops out here the entire time. So we'll see.
As the sun started to set, we noticed the boardwalk's lively vibe shifting, even with the increased police presence. Things were starting to feel a bit sketchy, so we decided it was best to pack it up for the day. But don't worry, we weren't done with Atlantic City just yet, because we came back the next day to dive right back into the adventure.
So what we've done today is we have parked further down the boardwalk at the Caesar's Palace, and the parking garage is actually big enough for us to drive into. We tried to go to the top floor, which is not accessible, and then we came across on that, and then we're going to walk the boardwalk today. We're going to try to go to a few casinos, whatever we can on the boardwalk, and then possibly have a dinner tonight. So let's see what the day brings.
Let's go. After crossing the elevated walkway, we arrived at Caesar's Atlantic City, a premier resort that brings a touch of Roman grandeur to the boardwalk. This iconic destination offers a vast gaming floor with over 3,400 slot machines and numerous table games, catering to both seasoned players and newcomers.
She's a bit of a fan.
He's my idol.
Beyond the casino, guests can indulge in a variety of dining options, from upscale restaurants to casual eateries, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. The resort also features luxurious accommodations, a spa, and live entertainment, making it a comprehensive destination for relaxation and excitement. We were immediately surrounded by stunning Roman-inspired artwork and architecture, Marble statues, grand pillars, and intricate mosaics filled the space, transporting us to a world of ancient elegance. Each piece of art added to the luxurious, immersive vibe of the resort, making it feel like more than just a casino. It was like stepping into a beautifully crafted Roman palace right on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. With a massive gaming floor, upscale dining options, and a vibrant atmosphere, Caesars offers something for everyone, whether you're here to play, relax, or indulge in a great meal. As you travel further down the boardwalk, you'll find a wide variety of dining options, from quick bites to sit-down spots with ocean views. Along the way, we also stumbled upon the JFK Memorial, a tribute to the late president. It's a small but meaningful landmark that adds a touch of history to the boardwalk, reminding visitors of the legacy of John F. Kennedy right here by the shore.
Well, guys, we have made it down to the end of the boardwalk here. And when I say that, I mean for the end of the boardwalk for us on foot.
Yes.
There's a lot more going that way. In fact, there's an additional 2.7 miles so you can keep going down the boardwalk.
Thank you.
However, as far as I know, we're at the Tropicana here, which I used to be, I don't know if it still is the same, but was kind of the end of the way down this way. So now we're gonna head back and we're going to explore a little bit of Tropicana, and then Yadi's gonna go to her first Gordon Ramsay restaurant, which should be a treat
Yes.
to experience.
As we stepped into the Tropicana from the beach entrance, we were welcomed by a lively scene of saloons, diverse eateries, and candy shops. Everywhere we looked, there were options for grabbing a drink, trying out unique meals, or indulging in something sweet. It felt like its own vibrant world, perfectly blending the beachside charm with endless choices to explore. One of the coolest parts of the Tropicana is the Quarter, a section of the resort designed to look like Old Havana. It's an entertainment complex all on its own, with cobblestone streets, charming storefronts, and even a bit of tropical flair. The Quarter offers a range of nightlife options too, with upscale bars, laid-back lounges, and even some live entertainment venues where you can enjoy music or a comedy show.
We are at the boardwalk right now, but you may have noticed we are not on our bikes. And the reason why we are not on our bikes is because of that right here. There is no e-scooters, electric bikes, anything of that kind. It doesn't matter. Although we've seen them out here quite a bit, we don't want to be the ones coming out here to break the rules.
And get caught and get in trouble.
And finally, guys, we are here at the beautiful Bailey's Casino right next to the Yard. We are unfortunately not going to be able to show you the inside of this beautiful casino because we got reservation and Indiana is super stoked about that. She's ready to go. We have 30 minutes to get over to where our reservation is in Caesar's Palace.
Yes.
And we have to get to the restaurant. So we're going to scurry over now instead of taking time to tour Bailey's or even some of the Yard. But I recommend you come and check out both if you have the time while you're here.
Yes.
Sitting down at Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill was a special moment, especially for me. As someone who aspires to be a chef, getting to experience dishes inspired by Gordon Ramsay's world-renowned expertise was unforgettable. The food is absolutely amazing, from the perfectly cooked entrees to the rich, flavorful sides. Each bite feels like a glimpse into the genius of his craft. For me, this isn't just a meal. It's a chance to connect with the work of a chef I deeply admire. And I was not disappointed. Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill truly lives up to its name. The restaurant perfectly blends a warm, inviting atmosphere with a touch of elegance. The menu features classic British dishes with Gordon Ramsay's signature flair.
Beef Wellington was really, really good. Crispy on the outside, but soft on the inside. As you were chewing on it, it actually kind of disappeared in your mouth. The meat inside just melted away. Very juicy, very tender. Well cooked. Nicely done. Well, guys, what an amazing trip here to Atlantic City.
Yes, it was.
This is a really, really nice place to visit.
Yes.
And
I hope that we can get a chance to come back here soon
Yes.
and see all of the other casinos that we missed, because we're missing the Borgata, we're missing Harrah's.
We're missing the Golden Nugget, and we're missing Bailey's.
A lot of these are off of the strip. Plus, there's all kinds of, there's a convention in town, there's all kinds of activities, a bunch of stuff going on. But if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like videos like these, hit the subscribe button so you can see us on the next episode.
And don't forget to press that bell and that like button below
We'll see you
on the next one.
Bye.